Hi students, reflection. The bouncing back of a light ray after hitting a smooth surface. The bouncing back of a light ray after hitting a smooth surface. Okay, when light ray incidents on smooth surface, in the bracket write down plane mirror. So when light ray incidents on smooth surface, plane mirror, it bounces back. When light ray incidents on smooth surface, it bounces back. Okay, so the nature of light, okay, this type of nature of the light is only called as a reflection. Okay, so here reflection, what is the meaning of reflection? The bouncing back of a light ray after hitting a smooth surface is only called as reflection. Okay, for example students, this is let us assume here it is a plane mirror. Okay, so here this is a mirror surface, here it is a mirror surface. So back side complete color coating is here. So here color is coated. Okay, back side is coated with the color. Okay, so here this is a color coating. So here one light ray is incidenting on the mirror, plane mirror. Okay, so this is it's a plane mirror. So here this is a mirror surface, back side is color coating is there. So here one light ray is incidenting on the plane mirror. Here a light ray which incidents on the plane mirror is only called as a incident light ray. Incident light ray. So whenever light ray incidents on the plane mirror, what happens? This light ray should travel in this direction actually. This is the actual path of the light ray. But what happens? Because of this color coating, light ray cannot pass out of the mirror. Okay. So because of the smooth surface, backside color is coated. So because of the smooth surface, what happens? This instant light ray after hitting plane surface, smooth surface, again this light ray it bounces backwards. Okay, so here light ray is bouncing backwards. So this light ray is called as a reflected light ray. Okay, so this whenever light ray incidents on plane smooth surface, the instant light ray will get bounced. So this type of nature of the light is only called as a reflection. This phenomenon is called as reflection phenomenon. Okay, so here whenever light ray incidents on plane smooth surfaces, light ray will get reflected. Light ray will get bounced backwards, okay, into the same. So here same medium. Here this is incident light ray, this is a reflected light ray. Okay, so the line which is in the middle of the incident light ray and the reflected light ray is called as a normal. So it is shown with N and it is called as a normal N. Why it is called as the line which is in between incident light ray and reflected light ray is called as normal? Why? Because a line which makes 90 degrees with the surface, plane surface of the mirror is only called as a normal line. You see here, you know, this line, this normal line, it makes 90 degrees. It makes 90 degrees with the plane surface. So that's why here this line is called as normal line. Okay. So here incident light ray, it makes some angle with the normal. So that is called as angle of incidence. Reflected light ray will also make some angle with the normal. So that is angle of reflection. Angle of incidence, angle of reflection. Okay, so here incident light ray makes some angle with the normal, that is called angle of incidence, and reflected light ray, it makes some angle with the normal. You see, this is a reflected light ray, it is making some angle with the normal. Okay, so that is called angle of reflection. And here incident light ray, it makes some angle with the normal, so that is called as angle of incidence. Okay, so here angle I, it is a angle of incidence. Angle of incidence. Next here angle R, that is a angle of reflection. Okay, so here angle I, which is called as angle of incidence, angle R, angle of reflection. Okay, so this is the angle of incidence, this is the angle of this is the angle of incidence, this is the angle of reflection. Okay, always so angle of incidence, that is angle I, angle of incidence, angle R, angle of reflection. Always angle of incidence, always it is equal to the angle of reflection. Angle of incidence will be equal to angle of reflection. Okay, students. So that is next one. So this is about plane mirror, and this is angle. This is incident light ray. This is a reflected light ray. Okay. So this is about reflection. Reflection means the bouncing back of a light ray after hitting a smooth surface is only called as reflection. So here light ray is incidenting on the plane surface, and light ray is bounced backwards. Okay, students, here you can understand very clearly the bouncing back of a light ray after hitting a smooth surface. Here you see this is incident light ray. Here light ray is incidenting on the plane mirror, and this light ray is reflected backwards. Okay, so this is a reflected light ray, this is incident light ray, this is normal. Okay, so here, so the bouncing back of light ray, here light ray is incidenting and it is bouncing backwards. So that is why it is called as a reflection. Reflection, it is a phenomenon in which whenever light ray incidents on a plane mirror, the incident light ray will get reflected backwards, will get bounced backwards. So that is only called as reflection.